For 4 years now, the coin network called Pi has been the hub of internet folklore, the legend of the crypto world, and a mystery of content creation. In fact, many people pray that the world shouldn't end until we know what happens to Pi miners. Because since 2018, the coin network had made a lot of promises, yet it is still in the pilot testing phase. However, by 2023, a lot of people believe that something huge is going to happen to Pi. According to them, the price of the Pi coin is about to shock the crypto market and break the internet. So, in today's video, we want to tap into the price predictions on the Pi network to verify if 2023 is truly a good future for Pi. But before we get started, hit the like and subscribe button below for more videos like this. But first, let's ask, how did Pi become a thing in the crypto world? Well, it all began in 2018 when the Pi team launched their goal to make cryptocurrency mining available to everyone. According to the Pi team from the University of Stanford, the Pi coin would be made as good as Bitcoin. Yet, everybody would be able to mine the coin on their phone, spend the coin as needed, and the promises kept rolling in one by one. So, after a long wait, the Pi team kickstarted the Pi project on March 14th, 2019, a day that today people like us now call the Pi Day. On that day, the Pi coin was worth very less than $1, and it's virtually unspendable. The only thing you could do with it was to mine the Pi coin at a very slow rate and keep it for the future. But because of the promises to make Pi more accessible than Bitcoin, many people joined the network, and within 3 months, over 100,000 people had already begun their mining journey to 1,000 Pi. Just a year later, the number skyrocketed to nothing less than 3.5 million people. Gradually in March 2021, the platform recorded 14 million people, and even as we speak, the number keeps increasing. But to date, the fulfillment of that universal Pi promise still feels like an eternity. And that promise is the exact reason why the Pi coin is more like a legend in the crypto world. Although, some say that 2023 will be a new dawn. But hold on a sec. If the Pi coin was made available to everyone, wouldn't that be a disaster? Yes and not so yes. So, let us explain. You see, most crypto coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tron, and our own friend Pi have an inbuilt regulation system. This regulation system is programmed to reduce the number of available coins by half anytime the number of people in that crypto network clocks a certain number. In the crypto world, we call this the regular halving system. From what we know, this system was designed to make sure that crypto coins are not too scarce and not too much in circulation. Because if it happens that the number of a coin is too high in circulation, then inflation may set in. And that is why preventing such a disaster is where the important work of the halving system comes in. As for Pi, the halving system had kicked in 3 times in the past to regulate the coin. The first one happened when the Pi network recorded 100,000 people. Back then, the mining rate of the Pi coin dropped from 1.6 Pi per hour to 0.8 Pi per hour. A short while after that, the mining rate dropped again to 0.4 Pi per hour at 1 million users, and further to 0.2 at 10 million. For now, everyone believed that when the Pi network clocks 1 billion people, then it's quite sure that the rate would be almost zero. By then, Pi fanatics believed that they would already be dancing in millions. But, well, what's the Pi trend saying today? Sad to say, the Pi coin is still worth $0. You can't buy it anywhere, it is not listed on any crypto or non-cryptocurrency exchange website, and the only way to own it is to mine it. Mining, of course, consumes quite some energy, consistency, and you need a lot of people on your mining network to earn big. To do this, you may need to invite your friends, families, and even your enemies into the network. So it's a lot of granular stress, yes. But predictions for the future and the mode of mining the Pi coin are quite good. Because for one, you can mine the coin entirely on your smartphone, and the people in your Pi network are always there to serve as your scam alert. As such, the Pi network is currently an ecosystem of people helping people. Aside from that, you can even decide to earn more money by getting a Pi node that requires you to use a lot of electric power. Although, as of this moment, you get nothing from being a Pi node owner, because as of today, the Pi coin itself is still unspendable. However, when Pi becomes an exchangeable coin like Bitcoin, you, as Pi node owner, will get a share on every transaction fee as your gas fee. Because of this moolah, over 12,000 people out there are Pi node owners already, even though today the Pi coin is still worth $0. However, just recently, some set of people with a kind of pass known as the KYC verification can now trade, buy, and sell Pi coins, though any transaction they do is only possible within the Pi ecosystem. So they cannot swap it for real-time coins that can fetch actual money. But according to those people, the Pi transactions only take about 8 seconds. Now the thing is, that might actually be a great step to the future of Pi, and this is just 2022. So, maybe, truly, 2023 is a great year for Pi, the Pi team, and Pi miners. But enough speculations. What do experts really say about the future of Pi, particularly 2023? Let's find out. So, what will the Pi coin be worth by 2023? Before we start talking about the different opinions on the future of Pi, let's get this out of the way first. You see, predicting the correct future of a crypto coin is like chasing the wind, because in most cases, the crypto market is very fluid and nobody knows what tomorrow might hold. This uncertainty even goes double for Pi because of two main reasons. For one, Pi has no price history. So the only data anybody has are the promises from the Pi team and the current features and standings on the Pi ecosystem and app. Then again, so far, the Pi network does not really work with the price trend of the crypto market, as we can see with Bitcoin and Ethereum, so nobody can tell us with certainty what's coming next. But, as things stand, experts believe that the Pi coin may become listed in some of the crypto exchange trends by late 2022. That's because if things go as planned, the Pi team would open the main net of the Pi coin by June of that year. When that happens, Pi coin will have the chance to rise a bit above $0 for the first time in history. In fact, tracing the history of other similar coins, the value of the Pi coin might tip the scale at first. But just a few days after the first launching, it'll drop back to just a bit above $0. Now, the possible reason for this would be that many people would rush to buy the Pi coin at first. A few days later, they would seek to sell out their stock to make a profit, so that would explain the sudden increase and drop in the price of Pi. However, by the end of 2023, the price of Pi may begin to set some new trends by breaking its own all-time high prices, because by then, many experts believe that there would be a boom in the crypto market. For now, the reason for this boom is still largely unknown. But let's assume that happens. The Pi coin would be one of the best crypto networks to tap from that, because for one, the Pi coin has always been very easy to mine. Secondly, many people would have gathered a huge chunk of that coin for free. So, if the Pi team did their assignment well on marketing, Pi may be in high demand at a time when the crypto market booms. Aside from that, the Pi coin may even get the chance to become a payment medium for Tesla. That's because it fits the criteria for the kind of crypto coins that Elon Musk hopes to trade with in the future. So, if Pi could gain enough reliability and publicity by then, it may even win the heart of the great Elon Musk himself. If that happens, Cryptonic, a coin predicting website, agrees that a Pi coin could be between $10.10 and $12.84. However, If things go sideways and the crypto market still finds it difficult to rise above the level it is now, then the Pi coin would simply be worth $1 or very much less. But then, no matter the price that Pi becomes in the future, you still won't be at a loss, because like many people out there, we all got the Pi coins almost for free. So, any amount of the coin we sell in the future would still mean profit, at least relatively. However, with the current user base of Pi, the current roadmap, and the features on the Pi app, the Pi coin stands the chance of being listed on exchange websites. By 2023, that's expected to happen. And by then, the Pi coin will surely be worth above $0 and should be spendable. If luck happens to side with the Pi team and the Pi miners, the Pi coin may get noticed by a reputable investor. Once that happens, then the Pi coin would be the most available and one of the most popular crypto coins out there. According to Cryptonic, a reputable coin predicting website, a single Pi coin could rise up to about $39.37 in real money by 2023. Now, if by then you're among those who had previously gathered about 1,000 Pi coins for free, imagine how much you'd have. Well, by 2023, that may be what awaits many of us. And with all that said and done, let's wrap things up. But before you go, do you think Pi has a promising future? Do you believe that the Pi coin can ever rise above $1? If you do you think that 2023 will be that year? Let's hear you out in the comments section.